we're going to do today, because today is how we can.
The partnership that we have with Corona Institute of Peace and Conflict Resolution as well as Osprey is to look at how can we innovate. These problems have been intractable for a couple of years, so they're not new. So what is it that we're not doing well? And why are we not getting the results that we need? So we decided that we would institute a mechanism that would enable us to dialogue with both sides, but also to look at how we can provide mental health support, because people that are involved in this are both victims and perpetrators, and they have high levels of trauma. So our solution is very holistic. We also have early warning mechanisms because we want to identify problems before they occur. But the most important thing we do is the early response. So these are community-led approaches, and they have to be led by community where they take ownership to respond to their own problems in real time, and to have responses that are embedded within the culture and that can hopefully over time become more long-term. I think the most important thing is to listen to both farmers and herders in terms of what they want. We've heard today where there's been some discussion about the benefits of staying stationary for at least for herders. But if they, we've had different words that have been expressed for that, including ranching. But if they stay in one space, would we be able to provide them with the support they need in terms of access to water for their herd, access to food, education, veterinary services? So it's a very integrated approach, but I think that from listening to them, a lot of them don't want to travel thousands and thousands of miles every year looking for water and grazing routes and carrying their children and their families. In the modern age, it's bringing a lot of stress. And also farmers have similar problems because with the population explosion, with the fact that a lot of people have settled on land that would not traditionally or historically be farmland, it has also brought a lot of problems for farmers. So I think a more comprehensive approach that is embedded within policies that are smart, that make sense, they're empathetic, and the starting point is by listening to these two communities in terms of what they want, I think will start us on the path to solving some of these issues.
Well, we want to build stronger partnership, especially at community level and at the subnational level. We're interested in building the capacities of subnational actors, whether they be at the state government or local government, community-based organizations, civil society, to tackle the issues relating to relations between farming communities and herders, or as we've heard today, between crop farmers and livestock farmers. That's essentially what we're here to do. Then we need to integrate security measures along with peace building measures, along with developmental measures and humanitarian measures. So we want to bring all of these actors together, but localize it at the community level where these incidents are taking place.